okay and okay, because I was asking him, because I was like asking, what do you want me to, record the message? So as I was like asking him, then I said, do you want me to record song? You want me to sing a song? You want me to praise, give you thanks? Or do you want me to sing or, record message or thank you? What do you want? Then after talking to him, then he said to me, opportunities. He said opportunity is coming, but it's coming for those who are ready. I said, what? So he said that, why you have to be ready and do things beforehand, so that when opportunity comes, and that it is like just, you know it, you're prepared, and you go go ahead for it. So I mean, if it's like, job, it is, okay, let's for example, if it's job, are you prepared for the interview? Have you done research? Have you done, study? Have you worked on the company? Or you have, studied the company? Or, it is an example. So, and then if you have received the job, you know it's what to do, because you have studied the company and you have done the things. So any opportunity coming, you have to make sure that you have prepared. So prepare for the things. If it's a ministry, you have to prepare, you have to start to begin. It is like you have to begin, and it is like you have to start. So anything that you want to do, you have to begin to start, and start doing something at least. So you have to do it, you have to start, and you have to, and while you're doing, while you, as you started, you're doing it like you're putting some words, and it is like that. At the same time you're studying, at the same time you're doing some research, at the same time, you're doing everything together and putting them together. And when the time, when his opportunity door he opens, you know it, that you're ready and you're ready to do it. So this is a good news I have come to share with you, that be prepared for any opportunity you're looking for, ministry, business, or job, whatever, marriage. You have to prepare to get that, or you have to prepare to go ahead, you have to prepare to enter into that opportunity, to take it. So you will be confident to take it. So, and you have boldness to do it. So that's what I mean. Today is 13th of July 2025. I'm Susanna Kurana.